Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Danny here. In today's video, I'm going to be trying the KMART Jungle Palm wallpaper. I've been looking at it for a while online and I've seen it in the shop too. Just before I do though, I'm just going to check and make sure that it's exactly, what I want. It comes in a 10-meter roll, 52 centimeters wide, so that should be perfect for my wall. $36, and I just absolutely love the print. I don't think I could go wrong. I have been looking online at other jungle leafy style wallpapers. This one's on eBay, and a lot of them are murals actually. This one's a mural, and you have to sort of input your wall size, and then they give you a price. So if I put my wall size in, which 210, my wall size is about 230 by 150 I think, and the KMART's also a self-adhesive vinyl. This comes up at $120 for the size of my wall, and actually I should have some wallpaper left over if I buy the KMART roll. So price wise, it's a no-brainer. I'm just going to another site and have a look. This is nice. It just looks a bit weird though because it looked out of proportion. But I'll put my wall size in, so 150 say, and 240 centimeters high. And we'll see what it comes up with. Actually at the top, $234 for the size of my wall. Yeah, that's a lot more expensive. Yeah, so the KMART one, it will be, I would say, we'll just have another look at something else, see if we can go into another site and compare. This is a Jungle Jive wallpaper, $370 for a 2.4 by 2.4. I mean, it may be better quality, and that may be a proper wallpaper that you have to paste. This one's $198. I think that's for a 10-meter roll. So we'll go with the KMART wallpaper, and I'll go and get that now. So this is the wallpaper I bought from KMART. I bought it yesterday, and I'm going to be wallpapering the wall behind me with the mirror on it. I'll take the mirror off. I'm not going to replace the mirror. I'll just leave it off because, I mean, if I put the mirror back, it would completely cover the whole wall. So what's the point in that? Yeah, so I'll put this up. It's self-adhesive, so I don't need any wallpaper glue. I have heard a few things about it though. People have posted that it actually can come off, like unstick. We'll just see. If that does happen, I can always apply wallpaper glue to the back of it and put it back on. It will only be 3 panels wide because this is just over 150 centimeters and this is 52 centimeters. So I should have some left over I can use for other things, which is good. Being self-adhesive, I know that I'm not very good with contact paper. I think I would prefer it to be a wallpaper, to be honest. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. It should be okay. If it does get a bit crinkly, I can always just pull it off and re-stick it, I guess. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I'll be taking the mirror off the wall. I'll be cleaning it down. What I'm doing with the mirror, I'm not sure. I might sell it maybe. We'll just see. I don't like to because I like that mirror. I could put it somewhere else. And yeah, then I'll be applying the wallpaper. So it should all go okay, but I'll just show you the process. I'll just film, and I won't talk throughout it because I talk a little bit much. I go onto a tangent and I don't make sense. So I'll just start wallpapering and I'll talk to you when it's done. Now I've measured in 52 and a little bit centimeters, because when I put the wallpaper up to align it, it sort of came over the edge just a tiny bit. So instead of 52, I made it 52, probably in about a half. And that should be fine if I line the edge of the wallpaper against that line.
what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
This is the next morning and it's still up, hasn't fallen down thankfully. And this was the panel that I had to take down. I got about 3/4 of the way down. Actually the camera stopped filming, which is a real bummer because that was probably the most significant part that I would have liked to have shown you, but I had to take it all off completely. I took it right off. When I did take it off, it bent over at the top and got stuck to itself, and I'm thinking, well, I've wrecked it now, I'm gonna have to buy another roll. But it was all fine and it smoothed out really well, and it's still sticking, so I'm so pleased. I used 3 strips and it fitted actually perfectly. There's a teeny tiny little gap at this side, just there against the wall, and I made it so there's a teeny tiny little strip here. I didn't want the wallpaper flush up against the wall because it can split and people can grab it, so that was good. So I have some left over that I've got some other projects in mind for. After I actually stuck each row down, I went over it again and just smoothed it with the rag, pushed out any air bubbles, which there weren't any in the first 2. In the third one there was, because it was also a bit awkward getting in here. I couldn't open this door because there's a little kitty in there that can't come out, but it was sort of awkward to get to, and I think that was the trouble with that in the first place. But I'm really pleased with the joins as well. Like, they seem to join pretty well perfectly, and that is a major fluke on my behalf. But like I said, I measure from your wall in the width of the wallpaper and go by that line, and it should be straight each time. Yeah, that's the join. Look at that, so good, if I do say so myself. Sort of fluky. But I love this wallpaper. For the price, I mean, the roll was $36, but it was even less really, considering I've got a heap left over that I can use. I don't know, what do you guys think? Maybe comment down below if you've used it, if you found it hard to put up, if it's fallen off, which is your favorite, because they do have a few other designs. I would be interested to hear what you have to say.